Hi friends, this is Sai and you're watching me Chillax Tech YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to show how to edit trending WhatsApp status using Kinemaster app. First select background image and drag it 30 seconds. And select image as you. You should select template or template links are given in description. Select the comma key option and on it and adjust the image. Select second template. Adjust it, dot and apply screen option. Dot and select alpha opacity option, set it as 95 below. Dot and open adjustment option and adjust the template. I used to turn off sound due to copyright claim. And select border emission. Select line practical template, apply screen option. And open overlay option, the effect called shooting star. Trim the layer, select the playhead option and cut the layer after 2 seconds, then only overlay layer works. And select song and cut it from the song has to play.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Don't forget subscribe to my channel and like the video and share the video, comment which type of editing video you want.